Adi, you all ready for the blood donation camp?
Yes, we are fully prepared. Even my code is ready. Everyone loved it.
That's great. You worked really hard.
Hello?
Adi, it's me, Eve. I just read the document from the blood bank.
Okay, what's up?
Have you read it carefully?
Why?
Here's one more rule. To donate blood, the person must be older than 18.
What? Oh no! The donor must have blood group A positive, B positive, or O positive and must be at least 18 years old. Oh, how did I miss this?
Don't worry. Coders are like superheroes. We solve problems.
You're right, time to fix it. Eve, come over to my place. Bring Kaylin too. We have some coding to do.
On my way.
Adi, what's the issue?
We need to update our code to check for age too.
But where's the age check?
And shouldn't we use dot lower instead of upper?
Good idea, let's fix both.
Don't forget to change the case for blood group. Teacher told us that the conditional values must be in lowercase when we are using lower function.
Yes.
Where to check the age?
Can we use and operator and or operator in one statement?
Gogu, can you help us?
Sure, you can use both the operators in one statement.
Thanks, Gogu.
So, we can add the line after the checking of blood group, right?
Yes.
Why greater than equal to?
As per requirement, the age should not the less than 18. Means it should be greater than equal to 18. That's why I used greater than equal to check the age.
Got it.
Shall we test the code?
Sure. Yes, our code works perfectly.
Let's show it to our teacher to be sure.
That's a great idea. Always double check. So kids, what did we learn today? Lesson 1. Always read the requirements carefully before coding. Lesson 2. Coding is like solving puzzles. Fixing mistakes makes you smarter. Lesson 3. A coder must always be ready for new challenges. Lesson 4. And most importantly, never code on an empty stomach.
Wait! We've been coding so much, I forgot to eat my sandwich.
Ready for some fun? Watch the latest Adi and Gogu episode, answer the questions, and you could win an awesome gift hamper. It's super easy. Just watch, think, and compete. So, grab your thinking caps and get ready to play. Stay tuned for the quiz and the chance to win big.